In this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite features in Mix It Up and explain what each one of them do. So the first one we're going to talk about is that annoying drop-down menu in the Action tab when you're making a command. So if you're familiar with Mix It Up, you probably know what I'm talking about. So if you're in Commands and you're making a new command and you're trying to add an action to it, you're going to see this Action drop-down menu list, and it's pretty long. Mine is kind of short because I have some of these features hidden. So let's say if you don't want to see chat message, if you don't use chat message commands or consumables, you can actually hide these from this list. So I'm going to show you how to set this up and have them hidden from that list. So you want to go up to settings, go down to commands, and then scroll down a little bit until you see hide action from command editor. You're going to see this long list. So this entire list is what's going to be popped up in the action group. So that's why mine's pretty short, because there's so many of these hidden. So let's see, I don't use conditional. There's the game queue, IFTT I don't use. So all of these are hidden. So you want to go over here, these little tabs, you want to turn these on. So once they turn a color, that means they are hidden from that list. So you can go down through this list, hide the ones you don't want to see on that action drop-down menu, and then you should be good to go. So it will save you a ton of time next time you go make a command and go down to the drop-down menu action list. It will be a shorter list, so you don't have to constantly get a sore finger from scrolling through that long list of the actions. And it will save a ton of time. It's a super useful feature in Mix It Up. The second feature we're going to talk about is action groups. So on my stream, I have 3 different action groups set up on my channel points. So anytime someone redeems that channel point on my Twitch, it will trigger the action group and play a random sound. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So when you go into Mix It Up, you want to go to the menu drop down, go to action groups. You're going to see 3 different ones that I have. I have the play a random meme sound, random thoughts, and shoot your shot. So on my stream, I have a spin the wheel feature. So anytime someone subs or donates a certain amount of bits to me, I have to spin the wheel, and it will have a challenge for me to do, like take a shot of hot sauce or face paint. I got to put face paint on, which always sucks. But if people don't want to sub or donate bits to me, that's totally fine. They have a chance on making me spin the wheel. So in this action group, you will see this long list of sounds that will play randomly. So anytime someone redeems that channel point, it will trigger this action group and play a random sound from this list. So if you want to set up a action group, I have a tutorial already made on how to set this up step by step. So it will be linked down in the description down below. And it's a super cool feature. You can even add it to your Twitch channel points, like what I have. So I will show you what this does. So if I press play, it will play a random sound.
That is a big fat no.
So if they're trying to shoot your shot, they're trying to make me spin the wheel. They did not make me spin the wheel that time.
No, sorry. Try again later.
Nope.
Congratulations.
Just kidding. That's a troll right there. So as you can see, every time I play this, it plays a random sound from that action group. So like I said, the tutorial on how to set this up is going to be down in the description below. But that is my second favorite feature on Mix It Up. My third favorite feature on Mix It Up are timers. So what timers does is it gives a little shout out to your own YouTube channel or Instagram or Twitter. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So when you go into Mix It Up, you want to go down to the menu and then click on timers. So as you can see, I have a bunch of timers already set up. So there's one for the command. So it says, here's a list of all my commands, and it has the list of a Google Doc spreadsheet I made of all the commands and what they do. So they can click on this list and it will bring them to a Google Doc with all of my commands and a little description on what that command does and how many culture coins it takes to redeem. So culture coins is like an online currency on Mix It Up. If you want to set this up, I have a tutorial on how to set up an online currency through Mix It Up. The link will be in the description below. But so what this does is just displays a random chat message. So there's one for commands, there's one for my Discord server, in the Instagram, I can change my lights since I have the Philip Hue lights set up to my stream, so they can actually change my lights. And there's going to be a list saying you can change it to green or blue or red. There's roles, there's the TikTok link, Twitter, and YouTube. So down here, you can make a new command for a chat message, and there's the intervals. So every 4 minutes, it sends a random message from this list right here, or every 10 messages. So anytime someone stops by, every 10th message, it sends a random timer, like an Instagram link or a YouTube link to the Twitch chat. My fourth favorite feature on Mix It Up are custom entrance commands. So what this does is it will display an image or play a sound anytime your buddy stops by the stream and sends a message in chat for the first time. So I'm going to show you how to set this up and what it actually does. So you want to go to the menu and go down to users. So I'm going to do my bot for just to test this out. So anytime, like let's say a buddy stops by, I'm going to test this out. Uncle Steve! As you can see, it says Uncle Steve, and that's just my bot name. It's an inside joke, but you can have this displayed as an image, so it gives like a little shout out. And you can even add it so there's a link. You can add a chat message saying, hey, here's my buddy. He also streams on Twitch, and then post that link so it gives him like a little shout out. You can add a sound and an image overlay. I have a tutorial on how to set this up down in the description below. And it's just a super cool feature that will give like your buddies or like your fellow Twitch buddies a little shout out in your own stream anytime they stop by, and it only happens one time for the first time they chat in stream during that stream. So like I said, the link will be in the description below on how to set this up, and that is probably one of my favorite features on Mix It Up. So my fifth and final favorite feature on Mix It Up are Twitch channel points. So you can actually link up your Twitch channel points to your Mix It Up bot. So I'm going to show you how to do this and how easy it is to set this up. So you want to go down to the menu, click on Twitch channel points, and you can actually create Twitch channel points directly from Mix It Up. So as you can see, I already have a long list of channel points on my Twitch stream. You can actually add an existing, so let's say you already have a Twitch channel point and you want to add a sound to it. So anytime someone redeems that channel point, it will play a random sound. So you can actually click on add to existing reward, and there will be a reward name. You click on that reward, and then you can add an action to it, like a command or a chat message or a audio cue. So there's another feature where you can make a brand new one. So we'll click this. You're going to type that name out, and it will appear in your Twitch feed as a channel point. So I have a tutorial on how to set this up, step-by-step process on the Twitch channel points and linking it up to your Mix It Up bot. So the link will be down in the description down below. Those were my top 5 favorite features from Mix It Up. So if you discovered a new feature you didn't know about from watching this video, or you need help with something, let me know in the comments down below. Everything I talked about, all my tutorials are going to be linked in the description below. It'd be amazing if you subbed and liked the video. It'd help me out a ton. I'm currently trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching the video, and have a great night.